Hey, what's up? It's Matt, and I'm bringing another affiliate slash CPA marketing course. Today, I want to do a quick video, hopefully 5-10 minutes, showing you how to use a site called Skillshare, as well as your MaxBounty or your PeerFly account, and then using a site called Kora to help you make around $50 to $100 a day. So, if you want to make $50 $100 a day, and this is completely free, to be honest with you. You just have to put in the work, and again, this is putting in the work, and it's not going to happen right away, to be honest with you. It's probably going to take around 2 weeks to start seeing results. May happen quicker depending on the things that you're working on or things that you're looking up and the things that you're posting, but this can start to become passive as these questions that are being used and being answered, more and more people view them and click on the links that you're providing. So again, $50 to $100 a day, roughly around 2 weeks when you may start to see results, but it's completely free. And again, I know I continue to say that, but it's free, but you have to put in the work. It's not something that you're going to do one day and then not see, and then expect to see results the next day. You got to put in the work. Unfortunately, because if you're not using paid traffic, free traffic, you obviously have to put in the work. So what I'm going to talk about right now is using, again, a site called Skillshare, and from MaxBounty. Hopefully, you have an account with MaxBounty or PeerFly. PeerFly is free to use. MaxBounty, you have to request to run this, and if you request to run this, if you get approved, you get $8 per lead for every person that signs up to the link that you provide. Okay, I'll be honest, I'm not using this right now because I do a lot of paid traffic, but this is something with free traffic, so I haven't actually even requested, but if I request, I'd get approved. So you got, but PeerFly is not. I mean, it is completely free. You don't have to request. You just promote the affiliate link. So I'm going to do very quick what you do here. So after you get the link from Skillshare, after you get this link, which is down here, after you get approved, you go down here and then you say select creative, and you get the link from that. All right, you're going to use search or contextual, and you'll get the link. What you need to do is create a landing page. It has to be a pretty generic landing page, hopefully looking kind of like the Skillshare site, because people are going to be clicking on that. So it has to look, rather neat and good. And you can even take a couple screenshots from here to do that. You can even create a free trial for yourself just to look at it yourself. But you create a landing page, and if you have any questions on how to create a landing page, let me know. Because the thing with this one is you cannot direct link to this, and it does say right here you cannot direct link this link, so you can't take the link you give and put it on the site that you're going to be promoting, because they just don't allow that. So you have to create a landing page. Now, this is how you're going to do it, basically. And I've just done one thing. I did a search. You can do by browse. You can do browse, and you can look for anything you want. I just did graphic design. And then from there, you can see what's trending as far as classes. And right here, there's one, Adobe Photoshop CC. So then you go to Kora, and if I'm pronouncing it wrong, I'm sorry. It's kora.com. And all you do here is you create a login. It's just password and email, something like that. And you do a search, and you say how to use, which I did was how to use Adobe Photoshop CC. And then you're going to get people who have questions on this specifically. How can I do yourself a mini PC for using Adobe Photoshop? And then from there, you are going to reply. You can click on this, and you can reply and provide your answer. So you can provide your answer here to this, and it would be something very simple like, hey, I've been trying to I was trying to learn how to do Adobe Photoshop as well, and I found this site that showed me how to do it very professionally. And I mean, you have to use words that sound good, obviously. This guy said the price Amazon shows it's not lowest, whatever. You just provide them with some type of wording that doesn't sound salesy, and just let them know, hey, that you learn how to do it yourself, and then you will provide your landing page link under that. I believe you can also let's see what you can do here. You can do you can answer later or whatever. You can just answer it. So that's how you do it. You put the answer here, and then you can add your link right here. Okay, and just put your landing page there at the bottom, but try not to blast your landing page because they will start to, I believe, flag you if you're doing too much because they see it as promoting it. So maybe just one link to it or something like that. And what happens is people start looking for this, and they start seeing the answer, and they start seeing your answer, and they click on it, and they get taken directly to the login page for this, which looks, I believe, something like this right here. The login page looks like this. I know it's super small, sorry, but that takes them to there, and then they sign up, and boom, you get $8. So the landing page has to look very good. You can't sound too salesy when you answer the question, and say you do 20, 30 questions a day. I know it sounds like a lot, but again, you have to put in the work. But say you answer 20, 30 a day. At the end of the week, in 7 days, you've answered 200 questions, and it's basically just simple, not even really answering. You're just kind of responding to their question, and you're putting in your link. And you want to do more than just one of Adobe. You can put all kinds of things in here. Illustrator launch. You do a search for Illustrator launch here in Kora. You can do a search for anything you want. How to make T-shirts, things like that. T-shirt design from start to finish. I'm pretty sure there's questions in Quora with that. How do you make a T-shirt? You put the link there. You put your affiliate link there. Boom, boom, boom. And in 2 weeks, you've answered 400 questions, and you're going to start to see a response. And when you're making $8 per sign up, you need 10 people to sign up in one day. If you get 5, 6, 7 actually, we get you $56. You get 10, 11, 12 people start signing up, and you're making pretty good passive income. So I hope you like this. Again, check out MaxBounty. Request to get approved. I haven't done it because I'm not doing that, but I want to show you how to do it. But if you're with Peerfly, you don't even have to request. You can just do it. And then if you want to learn how to do stuff yourself, feel free. You can go here. It's free to sign up. There is a premium membership if you want to do that. But there's all kinds of things here. It's not just graphic design. If you want to learn, if you want to help provide information on illustration, on leadership, on freelance, on animation, all kinds of stuff. I mean, it's a huge thing, huge gold mine. You can make some good money doing this. All right, I hope you like it. Take care. Again, this is about help you learn how to make $50, $100 a day, in a couple weeks. So take it, learn it, use it, apply it, and go to my channel, subscribe. Hope you like my content. Hope you like my value. Hope you like the value I'm bringing. Trying to give you as much as I can. All right, take care. Have a good one. Bye.